Through dances, performances, music, food, and much more, the Olenville community gathered to celebrate the 5th year of their Open House Street Festival and 48th year of Mindbuilders serving the community. Mindbuilders is a Bronx-based creative arts center that provides music, theater, ballet, hip-hop, and African dance for the youth.
This is a major registration and community engagement event where people get to come into the building, get to see sample classes, students performing, buy from vendors, have food, see other students that they may have gone taking classes with here.
Mindbuilders offers not only a family environment and educational place for kids, but it also represents opportunities for many of their students, like Sierra Nelson, who has been part of Mindbuilders since she was an infant.
When I became 18, they presented the opportunity for me to handle their social media influence for about 4 years. So not only was I studying there for the longest time, I also got one of my first jobs here, and it has been so helpful in my career, not only as a performer, but as an employable person.
Being part of Mindbuilders team is a special experience, but it also requires training. Their team is prepared to deal with students that live different environments at home.
We have special trainings so that we can reach young people who may be differently abled in any way, but we also have them in the same classes with those who may be excelling in particular ways. We go from 3-year-olds who can take Suzuki violin with their parent or grandparent, up to senior citizens as well.
Cynthia Martin, the acting board chair, describes Mindbuilders as a place where everyone is family.
We are special because we're extremely family oriented. We're special because once your child comes here or even adults come here, we welcome you with open arms. We're special because you will feel the love in the environment as you step foot into Mindbuilders.
If you would like to find out how to get involved, you can visit their website at mindbuilders.org. Reporting from BronxNet, Tahiti, Antigua.